I definitely expect that Brazil will win this 2026 World Cup, and best wishes for Brazil national team for this match. Morocco versus Brazil. Definitely Brazil will win. Hello friends, this is Jagatjyoti Sakma once again in front of you. How are you doing today? I hope that all of you are doing fit and fine. I am over the moon as well. As you can see, this is the jersey of Brazil national team. As a Brazil supporter, I really love Brazil team. I want to welcome the Brazil national team in 2026 World Cup. You know that tomorrow has a match between Brazil versus Morocco. Hopefully Brazil definitely will win because Brazil is a really a strong team. Although there is a show that Neymar will not play in this match, no problem. There are most skillful players and most experienced players like Casemiro, Marquinhos, and Rafinha, Vinicius Junior, and young boy Endrick. Hopefully Brazil definitely will win against Morocco. You know that Neymar involved in some injury issue. No problem, he will come back. As a supporter of Brazil, I expect from Brazil team that Brazil will definitely win. We will see the magic of Brazilian. We will see Samba dance again. If you want to see the magic of Brazilian in tomorrow match, I have to wake up early in the morning because Brazil versus Morocco match will be held early in the morning at 4 a.m. on 14 June 2026. Brazil will complete the hexagon and Neymar will win a World Cup because I really love Neymar Junior. We are going to see the Samba dance once again. We are going to see the magic of Brazilians once again in tomorrow match. I want to welcome the Brazil teams in 2026. I want to welcome the Brazil supporter in 2026 World Cups, and I really happy as a supporter of Brazil. I expect in 2026 Brazil will win the World Cup and Brazil will complete the hexagon. We will fill up 6 stars in this jersey. As you can see, this is the jersey of Brazil national team. I bought it yesterday to welcome the Brazil national team in this match. Actually, I really love Brazil teams. I think in 2026 World Cup there are some favorite teams like Argentina, Spain, France, and Germany. I am supporting Brazil from very my childhood. As a Brazil supporter, I am really proudful because we have 5 World Cups, and